Plant kingdom. Pteridophytes. Vanakkam children. In today's class we are going to learn about the first true land plant, which has vascular bundle. Can you guess and tell?
Vanakkam, ma'am. Is it Teradophytes, ma'am?
Yes. Good. Teradophytes are the first true land plants with xylem and phloem, hence they are called vascular cryptogams. The main plant body is differentiated into true, root, stem and leaves.
Pteridophytes also exhibit alternation of generation. The diploid sporophytic phase alternates with the haploid gametophytic phase. Sporophyte is the dominant phase. Sporophytes reproduces by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangym.
The sporangia-bearing leaves are called sporophyll. Most of the plants produce only one type of spore, either microspore or megaspore, homosporous. In some plants both microspore and megaspore are produced, called as heterosporous. Spores give rise to gametophyte generation, called propolis, which is short-lived and independent. The gametophytes produce the multicellular sex organs, antheridium, which produces antherozoid male gametes, and the orchegonium, which contains an egg, female gamete.
The antherozoid's fertilizer, with egg and form diploid zygote. It develops into an embryo, which is differentiated into sporophyte.
Classification of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are classified into 4 classes. Psilopsida, example, Psilotum, Lycopsida. Example, Lycopodium. Sphenopsida, example, Equisetum. Pteropsida, example, Nephrolepis. Economic importance of pteridophytes. Ferns are used as ornamental plants. The rhizome and petioles of Dryopteris yield the vermifuge drug. The sporocarp of Marsilea, the water fern, is used as food by some people.
Lycopodium is also called as club moss. Equisetum is known as horsetail.
Difference between bryophytes and pteridophytes. Bryophytes. Plant body cannot be differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Pteridophytes plant body can be differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Bryophytes are amphibians. Pteridophytes are true land plants. Bryophytes have no vascular tissue. Pteridophytes have vascular tissue.
The dominant phase of the plant body is gametophyte in bryophyte. The dominant phase of plant body is sporophyte in pteridophytes. In bryophyte, sporophytic generation depends on gametophytic generation, example Richia. In pteridophytes, gametophytic generation does not depend on sporophytic generation, example Salaginella.
The first true land plant is
Pteridophytes.
Good. The dominant phase of the pteridophyte is gametophytic phase. Is it true or false?
False. Sporophytic generation is dominant.
Good.
Which plant is known as horsetail?
Equisetum. Define, heterotrophs.
Plant that produces both microspore and megaspore.
Superpurni.
Good. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Like, share and subscribe. Click bell button for latest uploads. Thanks for watching our channel.